Hi there, I am Stephen Shorin and I am a graphics and a web expert. This is a class about basic Adobe Photoshop for absolute beginner and we will learn together Photoshop. If you never opened Photoshop before or if you don't have any previous knowledge on Adobe Photoshop, then you don't have to worry about it. This is a perfect class for learning Adobe Photoshop from the basic to advanced. Together, we will learn in Adobe Photoshop how to change the color of image, how to fix the lighting, adjust the color, how to remove object from image. We will offer the cropping and proper use of content our fill. We will learn about the shadow, how to copy and paste image. We will offer blur and filters with different type of blur effect like background blur. We will create a dripping paint text effect in image using warp and distort. In retouching, we will learn how to fix skin and we will offer a visual style like how to make a 3D glass effect. I have given an exercise file in this class so you can practice with the exercise file during learning with me. So during learning time, if you face any problem, you don't have to worry about it. You just have to ask me that question and I am always there for you to help you out. So start watching and happy learning.